Hey, I'm Larry Otto, and I'm one of the partners at Cussewago Truss. We're a family-owned business in northwestern Pennsylvania, and we started manufacturing trusses in the spring of 2003.
I'm Kevin, and I'm one of the partners here at Cussewago. Family business is awesome. Dad started the business with the goal of doing something for the family, for us boys.
I'm Harold Otto. What I love about working with my brothers is we all grew up at the same table. We have the same outlook on life, but the three of us together can see a bigger picture than any one of us could see by ourselves.
The family that owns the company has become like family to me. My name's Brendan Stoll. I'm design manager here. I've been here at Cussewago Truss for approximately 18 years. If it can be trussed, we can truss it. And that's something that we've always stood by.
At the end of the day, you can drive around to the job sites and see what you've helped produce, and it seems like you're making a difference in the world. Cussewago Truss has been with Eagle Medal since the day we started, which would have been in the spring of 2003.
So one of the key things that we look for in vendors, relationships huge. Just having someone that we can partner with, that we can trust. We don't like high maintenance type of relationships. Is how we as a family are oriented, is how my dad was oriented, and Tom Watley is that kind of a guy. We see Eagle as a key part of our success.
Over the years, we've grown together very substantially. Eagle has always stepped up and been able to provide what we needed to continue the growth of our operations and to increase efficiency.
I've been working with the TrueBuild software since 2013. I honestly love it. It's a great software to work with. The 3D capabilities that comes with the layout program, I think, is my favorite feature with it. It literally lets you get inside the house and see the framing and everything that's going on.
Over the last 20 years, Eagle has done a tremendous job in helping us streamline our business and be super efficient.
Our father set it up for us, and we grew it, so we'd like to be able to set it up for our children to where they can take it to wherever it leads them. You take the good with the bad, and you always keep looking forward.